Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Well, here's my next restoration. Dinky Toys Riley. Very play worn. Looks like it's been brush over painted at some time. It's all intact. Lovely looking thing. And I'm looking forward to doing this one. Just let it go round once more and then we'll get to take it apart. Here we are back with our little Riley to take a close look. Dinky Toys, Meccano Limited, made in England, no number, so it could be a very early one. 3 rivets, 1, 2, 3. Definitely a previous restoration, hand painted, dark grey, black. Tyres look reasonably good. Bit of rust there. Headlights are there, both bumpers are still intact. Grill's there, little badge on the grill. All the window pillars are good, split windscreen. Rear both bumpers are there, so she's in good condition. Obviously play worn, rusty, and there's the original colour, I think, green underneath. Now I did see on the internet that one of the ones was colour green, and that was the colour I was hoping to do it. I'm going to do it grass green. I haven't got this green. I've got something close, I hope. So we'll just have to see how all that goes. But no interior. That's our little Riley. Looking forward to it. We're back with our little Riley. It's never been apart before, I don't think, because it's still got the original colour underneath it. So we're going to take out these 3 rivets that already have dimples in them. Right, I'll just carry on with that and get back to you when it's done. Okay, we have had the grinding wheel on just a little bit there, but I think we're ready to pop these out now. Here we go. Not as solid a base as some of them. I think the metal's quite thin on that one. Good coating of dust and carpet debris there. Front wheels lift out nicely. Back wheels do. Leaving us with our Riley and its original colour. Just try and get a bit more light on there. There you are, you can see our Riley in its original colour. Looks a matte green there, but I'm sure it was shiny green in the day. Right, I'll just get on and drill the posts out, ready for rivets. Then we'll get it in the stripper. Okay, the base just got a little bent there, taking it off. So I'm just off to flatten it out with a piece of wood. Might actually just be able to tap it with the hammer direct. Yeah, that's got it. So what I did was, I obviously didn't want to hit this line, so I just put it over the end there with the line up against the end of the bar. Give it a firm bash, and that appears to have sorted it out. Okay, I'm just going to take the tyres off. I can tell the recent, they're not the original tyres, so I don't have to soak these in water to warm them up. They'll come off quite easily. and they'll clean up really nice. I'll be able to use them again. And it looks like the original wheels, you can see there, were painted green. There's green on the inside. So it's all green for this. There we are, a very simple model. Time to get it in the caustic and see how it looks. Just polishing the Riley, really it's a very good casting. There are some like raised blebs of alloy metal around it, but looking so far, most of the lines on it, the casting lines, are correct. I'll have to do some Google images. I've already got rid of some of these like blobs. The easiest way is a bit of 400 grit just over the top of them. Careful of the casting lines. And they do disappear. Just feel that largest one there, still feel that. One of the things I've read about the Riley, and I'm hoping you can see it, is that these headlights are individual castings. So hopefully you can see it on that left-hand headlight. There's no evidence of them being fixed on, so they're either soldered or glued. Looking at the casting lines on the Riley, there's a very faint line there to the boot. You can see that. On the other side, it's a lot stronger, and that mudguard would have been one, so that's got to go. Just looking around for a few more. Overall, it's very, very good. Got rid of the one on the top. Still polishing it, coming up to see them, but it's not bad at all really. Just about to start the detailing on our little Riley, which includes lights, the grille, the front bumpers to start with. Just using the metallic paint. You probably won't see all of this. Right, that's the front bumpers done. Just on with the grille. Right, there we are so far. Not looking too shabby. Gonna do the rears. I'll have to go back again because I don't risk doing too much because you end up putting the paint, getting it on your fingers and making a mess. Okay, we're back with our little Riley, and as you can see, she's out of paint. Not looking too bad. The green paint could have gone on better, but I think she's presentable. So I've got a couple of registration plates to put on. So we're away with the first one. Incidentally, if ever you want to see your number plate or a number plate on an old car you've got put on one of my models, just drop me a line in the comments. Tell me if it's like a Mark III Cortina, it's CWB 106D, something like that, and I'll try and do it. But if I haven't got the model, I might just put the number plate on anything for you, because as you appreciate, it's not always easy to get the models you want. Right, oh, that one's coming off already. Right, let's just move that out of the way. So there we have one on, JCT 967. Number plate off one of my mates, Moggy Miners, which I did do earlier this year. Right, just away. It's coming away quickly there. There we go. Nicely does it. Right, we'll leave that for a while, and we'll find the wheel, the tyres for this, and get back to you. Here are the tyres. Have been soaking in some silicone lubricant, as you can probably see. Just get a paper towel and dry them off. Just dry them off. Right, we'll just put the tyres on. These aren't the original tyres of the model. The original tyres that came with it when I got it. But as I said at the start of the video, I'm sure this has been restored at some point before and new tyres had been put on it. Still quite slippy with that silicone lubricant on it. There we go. Looking tidy. There's always one, and there it is. I'll put that the other way around, it had a mark on it. There we go. Right, so just have a little tidy up and then we'll be at assembly. Okay, there's our little Riley upside down, ready to get its wheels. There we go. Let's check they look okay. Yep. Right, on with the base. There she is, Dinky Toys Riley, made in England. I've had a test fit, just needs a bit of manoeuvring into place. Now I've had to cut these rivets down a bit of super duper. Just drop more. Just picked it up so I don't make a cloth mark in the paint. That's the first one in. Swizzle around. Just put in a bit round the edges as well, because I've cut these ones down quite small. Right. It's a delicate job. Right, we'll leave that little Riley upside down for a minute or two. Next time you see her, she'll be on the turntable. Well, this is what we started with. Very play worn, probably overpainted. Dinky Toys Riley. Cool looking car for the day. Just love the curves on those older cars. Anyway, without further ado, let's see what we ended up with. Well, here is our little Riley finished in green. She looks okay. Green paint didn't go on easily. The headlights are a separate part of the casting. I managed to keep them on. Some detailing to the door handles, the bonnet area, the mud guards and the grille. This model was introduced by Dinky in 1947 when it was a No.40A. And it features a Riley 1.5 litre car. This isn't that very early model, this is a later model than that because the writing on the base plate is a little bit bigger, I suspect. In any case, I do hope you've enjoyed this video. It'd be great if you could subscribe and like. And I look forward to doing the next video with you. I now leave you with the Dinky Toys Riley No.40A. Thank you for watching. And there is our little Riley taking centre stage next to the other dinky ones that I have done.